Hi! Did you know that everything we eat comes directly or indirectly from the field? Our morning coffee, chocolate, our favourite cookies, bread, and everything we produce with cereals. Even a fruit smoothie. Imagine any kind of food. Yes! Everything we eat comes directly or indirectly from agriculture. But the fruit, vegetables and cereals used to produce the food we eat not only grow thanks to the soil, water and sun. A wide range of phytosanitary products and fertilizers also form part of their growth and harvest, whether to combat pests, help plants grow better, or simply increase production. Therefore, they are likewise involved in the food chain. These phytosanitary products and fertilizers must be identified and comply with a series of requirements regarding their origin, composition and production process to meet transparency, quality and food safety regulations. We call this traceability. Futureco Bioscience develops, manufactures and commercializes products of low environmental impact for the protection and nutrition of crops, such as biopesticides, biostimulants or biofertilizers. These products are mostly formulated with raw materials of organic origin and are suitable for organic farming. Futureco Bioscience has a traceability system that allows the quality and origin of its raw materials and subsequent products to be controlled at any time. Each raw material stored in the warehouse is given a code that includes information regarding its composition, batch number, supplier, and delivery date. When a production order is undertaken, the raw materials used as ingredients will be assigned a new code related to the batch number of that new production. The amount of each raw material to be added to the reactor is precise and controlled. Once the reactor process has finished, a sample of that product is taken for evaluation by the quality department. Who will analyse it to ensure that the product meets the expected physical-chemical parameters. Once the sample has been approved, the quality department gives permission to transfer the content of the reactor to a container. Before packaging, labelling and shipment. Each product batch is provided with associated information about its production process, the combination of ingredients, origin, date of entry to the warehouse and properties. Futureco Bioscience's product traceability system responds to the company's good manufacturing certifications. Through this system, Futureco Bioscience forms part of fundamental transparency for the agricultural market and consumers. Futureco Bioscience. Good for your crops, good for the environment.